Glam Next Door. I'm Paulumi and I'm back with yet another very exciting video. आज मैं थोड़ी सी चिट चैट के मूड में हूँ, so मैंने सोचा why not share with you guys my recent favorite. Today I have picked few things which I have been obsessed about from last 1 month. So without any further ado, let's hop into today's video. So the first thing first, my zipper. So this is from Nistasia. Now I have been obsessed with this. Okay, I have been drinking more water since I have got this one, and this is like my this is like my all-time buddy in a day. Every time wherever I am going, be it home, outside, anywhere, I'm just carrying it with me. So I am in love with this product and I'm obsessed with this zipper. Okay, so yeah, so this is the first one. Moving on to the next one. This leave-in conditioner from Bare Anatomy. This is my lifesaver. I got my hands on this product very recently. I'm using it from last maybe 15-20 days, and this is the first product from Bare Anatomy which I'm using, and I am absolutely loving it. Like, I have always struggled with my frizzy hair, but this product has made my life so easy. This is not sponsored. I hope someday Bare Anatomy will sponsor me, but this is not sponsored. This is my honest review. This is from their anti-freeze range. I have not used their other products like shampoos or conditioner, but this one is my lifesaver. Like, this is my hair's best friend, you can say. Okay, so yeah, this has to be the next one. So next up is one more hair product. This is, I have almost finished the bottle. This is my third bottle of Moroccan oil hair treatment. This is their serum. I have used their shampoo also, that is also very nice. But this serum, this is not from past 1 month, but this has been my go-to serum from past many, you can say, like, I switch between serums, hair serums, but I keep on coming back to this particular one. So yeah, this is my next favorite, and I've got this chotu sa bottle because this is very handy while you are traveling and all. So yeah, this is another lifesaver. Again, I have always dealt with my frizzy hair, and this does a amazing job for my hair. So yeah, this is the next one. Next is this bag. I don't know if you can see. Okay, so this bag is from Myntra. Which brand I don't remember, but again I will give all the link in the description box. So I love this bag, and this is very, very, very pocket friendly and very affordable, but very nice quality. The shape, and also I don't have any other bag of this shape, and this one, see, this is really nice and handy, and हाँ, इसमें मेरे सारे ज़रूरत के छोटे मोटे सामान आ जाते हैं. क्वालिटी भी बहुत अच्छी है, and I am like using it almost with any kind of dress whenever I'm going out. So from past 1 month maybe I've used only this bag. So yeah, this is another one. What to show next? Okay, so this one, this sweater come top, I don't know what to call it. This sweater material, but this is a top. So yeah, and this one, this flared skirt. Okay, so these two are from Myntra, and I love it so much. I will try to put a picture here and here or there somewhere on the screen. The combination is awesome. I love the color contrast. I love the flared skirt. Up next is this cleansing balm from Dot & Key. This is my second bottle. The cleansing balm is very nice. It removes the makeup very well. This is very affordable also. But why I am so obsessed with this? Because first thing, Dot & Key's packaging. See, this is so cute. This is so cute, okay? And the second thing is the smell is so nice. It's delicious, okay? So sometimes I feel like eating it. This smells so nice. It's strawberry, vanilla. I don't know what smell is this, but I would love to have a perfume of this smell. Okay, so that's why this is my favorite, just because of the smell. Okay, so yeah, this is the next one. Next one is this lip sleeping mask from Laneige. So this, as most of you know already, this is a magic. Okay, I have too much dry lips. Like my lips are so dry even in the summers. But this one has changed my life. So no need to praise this more, because everyone knows how beautifully this works. And yeah, this has been my favorite since past few months. So yeah, this is the next one. Okay, now the lipstick. This lipstick. This is mine. I have no words, okay? Like, I'm wearing this shade now. This is Lakme Forever Matte Liquid Lip Color in the shade New Dream. So this is my maybe 6th bottle of this lipstick. Okay, and I have 2 more in stock because I use it every single day. I am a kind of person, I'm not a very like fond of makeup or anything, but if there is one thing that I apply whenever I'm stepping out, that has to be lipstick. Okay, I love lipsticks. I love lipsticks. I cannot do without lipsticks. Okay, and this is my go-to. I can wear it everywhere, literally, from my office to a wedding ceremony to a party. Like this is so versatile, so nice. It suits my skin tone. The texture is really nice, and this is just amazing. I love it. And I pair it up with this one. So this lipstick shade is from Parul Garg. इसके वहाँ से तो label सब कुछ हट गया है मुझे. I don't know. I'll link down everything in the description box, so you can check it out. This shade is called Obsessed, but I don't know. This is from Parul Garg and in the shade Obsessed. They're liquid lip. So this lipstick, when I bought it, I didn't like the shade too much because like actually the shade is really nice. Okay, this is a nice nude tone, but it was really not going with my skin tone. But then one day I just mixed this one with this one, and then this magic happened. This mix, this duo is I'm obsessed with this too. Okay, so yeah, that's it. I've told enough about this. Next is this body wash, body soap, you can call it. So basically I bought it just by seeing the packaging. I liked it, so I bought it. But this also smells so nice, so amazing, and the texture is also beautiful. I don't know why this is not so popular, but if you ask me, this is from actually Earth Rhythm. Earth Rhythm Buttercream Scoop Vanilla Cream Vanilla Oil, something, their body wash. Basically this is a body wash, but I don't know why this is not popular. This has to be, like, this should be popular. Okay, this is amazing. The packaging is this looks like an ice cream if you open it. Okay, so, and the smell is really nice. This gives my skin a very nice moisture, and yeah, I just love it. I have been loving it. Okay, so this is the next one. So we are almost done with everything. Only last one thing, actually two things are pending. So I have attended recently few parties, wedding ceremonies and all. So 2 earrings I have. These are, this is one. Maybe I'll try to give you a close-up look. I'll add some pictures somewhere on the screen. This one, I just love it. I love it. Okay, this is one, and one more is this one. This is tangled. One second. Okay, so these earrings. Okay, these earrings also I just loved it. Again, I will add a picture somewhere on the screen so you can check, and I'll also try to give a close look to these earrings. These actually comes with, it's like this. Isn't it so beautiful? So I have wore it for one of my friend's wedding, and yeah, I love it. That is pretty much it, guys. I think I have tried to cherry pick the things which I am loving for this past month. So hopefully you guys like it, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, you know the drill. Please do consider subscribing to my channel, like this video, share it with your friends and family, and I'll be back super soon with another very exciting video. Until then, stay glamorous, stay beautiful, and stay yourself. Bye bye.